Nomfundo uthola indoda engazuthi ke iyamthanda ke and bese ngathi ekhathele ke ukuba umakhwapheni ke kanje ngaye asazi kunjengaye uzophatheka kanjani ngayo yonke ke lento kanti ke ugcina uyaqhubeka nokufuna idivorce kuvusi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the minutes from the 2nd to the 4th of December 2024 on Monday. Nomfundo meets a handsome stranger who shows interest in her. Nobuhle receives a visit from Umkhize, and Phetheni open up old wounds that forces her to act on Tuesday. Njengaye tries to rekindle romance with Nomfundo, but she might be tired of being his mistress. As the Mbambo household joyously prepares for some gay and Vuma's lobola negotiations, a hidden guest luck among them out of vengeance on Wednesday. Nobuhle shocks Sibongile when she reveals something some gay did in the past. Phetheni is shaken when she sees a fall in the most unlikely of places. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.